Good morning. It's Sunday, and we're turning this into an ice cream flavor because I want the flavor of romance without all the mess. Let's go. Roasted strawberries, crackly dark chocolate, and a custard so rich it's basically old money. It's elegant, indulgent, and guaranteed to treat you better than your last situationship. Fresh strawberries are all innocence and charm, but roast them and they go full transformation. Dark, jammy, unapologetically bold. Once they go through it, they have depth, drama, and a delicious chip on their shoulder. Let's roast them. First up, strawberries. Off with their tops, a quick hole, and onto the scale for a weigh-in. Spread them out on a baking sheet and sprinkle them with sugar. Everybody gets coated. Little roll around, and then drizzle with lemon juice for that bright pop. Roll them again, and then smooth them out nice and even on the baking sheet. Off to the oven they go for a quick roast until those strawberries are jammy and extra sweet. Once they're done, pull them out, and then plop them straight into the blender. Hit blend, and now you've got roasted strawberry puree. Time for the custard. Gather your heavy cream, milk, sugar, egg yolks, no tempering here, everybody into the pot. Give it a good whisk like you mean it. And then take it over to the stove for a slow warm-up process, whisking until it hits that perfect, thick, silky temp. Then take it off the heat. Now I could have just bought strawberry powder, but why make life easy? Weigh the freeze-dried strawberries and toss them in a food processor, which gives me chunky dust. Not gonna cut it. Spice grinder to the rescue. Now that's the fine powder we want. Sift it like flour, push every last bit through, and measure out the perfect amount. And then set that amount to the side. Grab that warm custard and toss in that strawberry powder we just made. Give it a good whisk. It's gonna need it. But guess what? It's not smoothing out for me this time. So into the blender with our roasted puree. I'm gonna give it a good swirl until it's smooth and pretty. Then I'm gonna pour it out and chill it down. Patience is key. Next up, chocolate shards, because basic chocolate chips are boring. Weigh out good dark chocolate, a touch of coconut oil, double boiler time. Melt it slow. Stir it until you get a really smooth consistency, something like this. Parchment paper down on that baking sheet and pour out all your chocolate goodness. Spread to your desired thickness. I prefer thin, like a fancy chocolate credit card. Freeze it till it snaps. Now let's get to churning, because if you're gonna spiral, it might as well be into something frozen and fabulous. Custard's chilled, so we stir, because it makes us feel useful. Pour it all in and lock this contraption together like a tiny ice-cold factory. Salt, ice, the magic trio. Let her spin. Scoop out that dreamy swirl and shower it with chocolate shards. Give it a quick mix so every bite's a jackpot. Into the tub, lid on, and then freezer bound. Silky strawberry, crackly chocolate, store-bought could never. This is your new freezer flex. Honestly, this ice cream's flirty. It's rich, fruity, and the chocolate snaps just right. It tastes like it showed up late to the party on purpose. The roasted strawberries bring the drama. The custard, basically velvet. And those chocolate shards, they know exactly what they're doing. If you like chocolate-covered strawberries or just want an ice cream that's giving luxury and nostalgia at the same time, you have to make this. Trust me, your freezer will thank me. See you next Sunday.